Last try, kung sakali. Subok. Last na subok na to. Todo na yan, Justin, putang ina mo.
Got a monster inside of me. You better watch out if your enemies are over the head of full prophecy. To be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he calls me.
Open champion and the winner of the bodybuilding pro card. Coming in at number 2 at second place is Happy Number.
Last try niya na to. So, dalawang beses siyang nakipag-overall. Hindi niya nakuha. Sana, itong last, nakuha niya. Ayun, may meeting na daw tayo. Solid na to. Angas! Uy, hupak na hupak si Franz, oh! Hey, hupak na hupak. Sino pang wala?
Si JC ata, nagda-drive.
Ayaw nga pala si JC. Gumawa lang ulit ako ng bagong GC para hindi ma-istorbo yung mga iba na hindi pa naman maglalaro ng PH. Gusto ko lang magbigay ng reminders para sa pick week natin kasi yung iba, first time nilang ma-encounter yung pick week natin sa team. Okay, para at least, 'di ba, hindi tayo parang nawawala during pick week. At the same time, gusto ko lang din na payapa yung utak during this pick week kasi ang kailangan natin this pick week is recovery na lang. Okay? So, next week, unang-unang gagawin natin is magdi-deload tayo. Everyone, deload tayo next week. And then, hindi na dapat tayo mag-i-introduce ng mga bagong pagkain during peak week kasi baka mamaya, ito pa yung mag-cause ng pagkasira ng tiyan natin or pagbo-bloat na makapangit pa ng resulta natin sa show day. Clear?
Yes, boss.
Kung saan talaga kayo nag-workout, mas maganda kung anong mga movement yung ginagawa nyo, huwag nyong babaguhin kasi baka mamaya, yun din, hindi na natin kailangan mag-introduce ng bagong movement sa peak week. Baka yun din yung makapag-cause din ng inflammation. Isa sa mga iniiwasan din natin. Para fresh tayo pagdating ng show day. Tapos, posing. Guys, everyday assignment na to So, fasted. Dapat alam nyo yung pakiramdam ng nagpo-posing kayo during fasted state. And then, bago matulog, pag kompleto na yung meals, everyday, isend sa akin. Starting tomorrow to lagay nyo sa reminder nyo. Sa pagkain, kung ano na yung mga kinakain nyo before peak week, dapat yun na. Okay? Mas maganda mag-stick tayo sa rice, chicken, fish. Sa mga lutong pagkain muna tayo iwas muna tayo sa raw. Baka mamaya masira din yung tiyan natin. Okay? Then iwas muna tayo kung maaari sa dairy or gatas. Baka mamaya, isa din yun. Problema yun. Get? Coco Crunch, iwas muna tayo sa sugar para sa show day na lang tayo.
Sabi ka.
Kamusta naman kayo? Kaya pa? Ikaw, Franz? Masyado ka natang malungkot dyan
Medyo na mukha yun talaga, pero
Happy ka naman?
nag-photoshoot na.
Oo nga angas! Yun lang guys, baka may ginagawa pa kayo. Wala nang questions?
Saan wala na?
Okay, solid lahat kayo, yun lang masasabi ko. Basta guys, kung ano man maging result nito, enjoy lang natin and ibigay na natin sa mga judges kung ano yung hatol nila. Okay? So, yun yung hindi na natin hawak. Basta enjoy natin, basta ang may papangako ko lang sa inyo is madala kayo sa magandang looks nyo before tayo sumampa. Okay na yun. Okay? G, good night sa inyo. So guys, yan, nandito na tayo ngayon sa WNBF page 9 and ngayon nagaganapin yung show day ng mga athletes natin. And meron ng isang athlete nagpa-pump ngayon, sasampa ngayon na newcomer. So, tara, samahan nyo kami dahil magiging solid na naman tong event na to dahil ang daming mga international athlete na pumunta dito sa event na to. Kaya, let's go. Taiwan feels, no? Medyo pressure, no? Iba yung pakiramdam ngayon. So actually ngayon, nakakaba kasi napakadami ng mga athletes from other country at the same time, natural bodybuilding hill dito sa Philippines is lumalaki na din talaga. Kaya bahala na kung ano magiging result, enjoy na lang talaga natin to. Let's go. So yun, si Franz yung unang athlete ng team, nalalaro for newcomer. So from Bicol, ito yung sinasabi natin before sa vlog, showcase niya na yung pinaghirapan.
my future and it's looking bright. Not used to the light, I was born at night, but I'm used to a fight, not a new sight. Left, right, hair, body, roll the dice. No regrets when I finally leave. I'll finally be the final, be a better me. My destiny is to invest in me. The quest to be the best, yeah, I'll let you free from a world that's been feeling so wounded. I got dreams and they feel so lucid. I got dreams that they think are stupid. It's alright, sit back cause I do this. I don't take this life for granted, my mind's expanding. It's time for a fight, command of the war. I want more, yeah, I said I want more. Took a life full of hooks, time to even the score.
Relax lang. Halatang tense na tense ka.
Relax, tapos
Reset.
ka lang sa abs.
Reset pag pagod. Tama lang na nagpapump na kayo. Hanap nila boss. Abs talaga. Mamaya, relax na lang tayo. Ngayon, pump na tayo. Uy, Jazz! Saan ka galing? Ang ginawa mo? Pati niya kami? Pati niya man looks mo? Gago, abs yung hinahanap nila, boy. Ang tama yung ginawa natin. Abs yung hinahanap nila, gago. Di ba? Okay na yan, no?
Todo.
Yun, no?
Pag sinabi kasi ng front post, ayaw nilang tago yung bewang. Gusto nila harap, medyo harap.
Hindi. Halimbawa, pag sinabihan ka, minsan kino-call out nila eh. Ang gawin mo na lang doon, continuous pump tayo. 10 minutes before kayo, tatawagin ko kayo doon, pahinga na tayo. Para pagdating natin doon, di tayo hingal at ang tagal ng hold nila sa core eh. Mga 1 minute bago kayo turn. Na. So yun guys, kasama natin ngayon si WNBF Pro Men's Physique Vince na from WNBF Edmonton. Siya yung nanalo ng overall doon last month. So, kamusta naman yung bakasyon mo? Dahil pro ka lang ngayon.
Na-enjoy ko, enjoy. Then, yeah, kailan ba kasi mag-off-season ngayon, coach, diba?
Oo. Ano masasabi mo sa competition ngayon dito compared doon?
Maganda dito.
Iba, no?
Parang mas nabuboost ako lalo para sa off-season. Excited na ako para umakbak ulit, magbalik ng Canada.
Next goal namin sa kanya is makapag-pro show siya sa Canada. So for now, after niya nag-pro, nag-straight to off-season na kami. Kaya abangan nyo dahil madaming pro show sa Canada na pwede niyang salihan. Malupit tong taong to, kaya nice meeting you. First time namin nag-meet ngayon, actually.
First time.
So client ko na siya since December and ngayon lang kami nagkita. Siya yung nanalo sa Canada ng overall sa men's physique. Malupit yun, guys. Bakasyon niya lang pala. Umuwi siya ng galing Canada, nagbakasyon siya dito at the same time. Siyempre, silip na rin kasi iba yung competition sa Canada, sabi niya nga, compared dito sa Philippines. Mabigat dito eh. Lalo na ngayon na umuusbong yung natural bodybuilding. Ngayon yung mga first timer pa lang at saka newcomer. Ang gaganda. Kaya tapusin niyo tong vlog na to, solid to. Makikita niyo si Vince, even na nasa Canada siya, nakita niyo nakapag-pro pa rin siya. So, kahit malayo ka, basta meron kang puso ng pagiging athlete at talagang kaya mong maging coachable, pasok ka dito sa team namin. Kaya kung sakaling interested kayo, pumasok para sa natural bodybuilding at mag-prep at kailangan nyo ng coach, hit me up on Instagram at PoyPoyPauloph. So yun guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa JP Clothing Booth. So sa mga naghahanap ng merch, punta kayo dito. So yun, explain ko lang din dahil yung tatlong athletes natin for open short, maglalaban-laban sila mamaya. So it's either isa sa kanila, kung sakaling makapwesto ng top, pupunta sa overalls or dalawa sila. Possible kasi isa o dalawa pupunta sa overalls. Kaya abangan natin yun kasi sobrang intense nun. Silang tatlo sa team, magkikita-kita sa open short. Guys, supportahan natin tong Team Macros. Kasi ang kagandahan sa kanila, once na in-scan mo yung barcode sa MyFitnessPal, lalabas na daw yung macros. So hindi ko pa siya nasusubukan, pero susubukan natin kung totoo. Hey, angas! Ayun yung macros nyo. Okay, so one serving, 469 calories yung tuna sisig nila. May 30 grams ng protein and may 67 grams ng fat. Ay, ng carbs. Which is good, di ba? Supportahan natin, Team Macros. Kita nyo, hawak ko na itong mga materials natin para sa mga glazing nila. So, yan, nagpa-pump na muna sila and later, mga 10 minutes before nila sumampa, dun sila mag-glaze. Kasi mahirap kasi pag nag-glaze na sila ngayon, tapos nagpa-pump sila, papawisan sila. Masisira yung glaze nila. Kaya, yun. Pons. Nice one. Come here, come here. Gagawin lupit nyo. Hindi kayo gumagalaw doon.
B1B2 kami, no?
Tangina, tignan nyo naman kayo.
Power Rangers.
Oh. Galing, tangina. Lupit, boss. Boss, tatlo sila kanina magkakalaban. Nangyari yung dapat mangyari. Ewan ko kung ano magiging placing nila. Hoping for good, pero sana. Hi, how are you? Who's with you?
I'm good, and you?
Who's with
I'm
you?
so cool. Huh?
Who's with you?
No one?
Woo! Nice judging, ah. Nice judging.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. Very nice. Can you please invite the Filipinos to go to WNBF Taiwan? So guys, kasama natin si Hilda, WNBF Thailand and WNBF Portugal president. So please invite them.
Hi, of course, I want you guys there. So next year we're going to have the first event for WNBF Thailand. I mean, we are doing already a lot of shows in Portugal. So you're always welcome. So we help you take care also like visas and everything. But Thailand, I mean, it will be the first show next year. I'll try to be, step up the game because I know the Asian shows. It's like, oh my God, it's amazing. And this one, you remember how we started, right? And now, how is it? So the quality is going up. So I need to step up my game as well for Thailand. So I invite you all for coming, even just for, supporting you guys as athletes. And cheer, because imagine like you having Filipino athletes and you guys like different, right? Yeah, the vibes scream for them. So I invite you guys.
Tsaka ito yung nangyayari sa'yo, Ponso. Gaganon ka, tas
Kaya wala
hingal ka na dito.
So, ganda na.
Yan, ganyan na. Yan na nga.
Medyo press down mo nga yung katawa mo.
Yan. Nag-salt ka na?
Hindi pa.
Pinch ka ng salt, mga 2 pinch. Mag-salt ka, pinch ka. Enough na yan. As in lang yun, boss. So, hindi kasi enough na may carbs ka. Wala kang sodium, wala kang water, or wala kang potassium. So, mahirapan ka mag-pump. So, dahil, yun nga, hindi tayo nagkakat ng sodium, hindi tayo nagkakat ng water kasi kailangan natin yun. So, yun guys, nag-aantay na lang tayo ng awarding. And then after this, sana, di ba, sana may makapunta sa overall sa kanila. And ma-showcase din nila yung package na meron sila. So far naman, maganda yung looks nila. Abangan na lang natin kung ano yung hatol ng mga judges.
Coming in at 5th place is
50.
athlete number 59, Ferdinand Valencia.
Yes!
Coming in at number 4 is athlete 55, Alfonso Suarez.
Hold up!
49,
Hawak kamay nga kayo! Hawak kamay!
At second place is
Si Jason. Tangin na.
athlete 54, Jesus.
Namawa niya ng dalawang ball.
Nice one, Justin!
That means your champion is none other than athlete 44, Justin Soto.
Bas. Taas.
Nakaw.
Ito lang talaga. Kaya mo na yung medal pagyabak.
Nice one, Justin! Nice one, Justin! Let's go! So yun guys, kung makikita nyo, yung tatlong athlete natin from open short, pumasok lahat sa podium. And maganda pa dito, yung isa or dalawa sa kanya, baka dumiretso sa overall. Kaya abangan natin. Sobrang lupet kasi stock talaga yung lineup nila. Yun.
I said go and line up. Whoever got next is fine with us. Line up. I said whoever got next is fine with us. I ain't gon' let that slide. Think you fly, huh? Me and Stank wheels up, it's a ride off. Ain't no shortcut, heading to the top floors. Me and too smart to drop costs, and I got two fists, I'm a problem. Nuisance, who's with anybody not me? They losing, I'm proof that. Even when you down, keep it moving. The movement is never gonna stop, man. I do this. Going line 'em up. That's fine with us. Come on, line 'em up.
One more, Broward!
Full body ka.
Let's go. I can see my future and it's looking bright. Not used to the light, I was born at night. But I'm used to a fight, not a new sight. Left, right, hair, body, roll the dice. No regrets when I finally leave. I'll finally be the final.
Yes. Athlete 26, Ezequiel Castillo. Athlete number 50, Lance Alvin Cruz. Athlete 49, Arjun Paul de la Cruz. Athlete 64, Samuel Ayu. That means your champion is athlete 44, Justin Aaron Anselmo.
Can you feel that? That's one in a billion, we're one in a trillion. A life has been given, a life is worth living. I don't
I said going line up.
Yan!
Whoever got next is fine with us. Line up. I said whoever got next is fine with us.
Asymmetrical.
Fly, huh? Me and Stank wheels up, it's a ride off. Ain't no shortcut, heading to the top floors. Me and too smart to drop costs, and I got two fists, I'm a problem. Nuisance, who's with anybody not me? They losing, I'm proof that. Even when you down, keep it moving. The movement is never gonna stop, man. I do this. Come on, line 'em up.
Ladies and gentlemen, who do you got? Come on! Woo! All I hear is 40. Okay, and the winner of the overall Classic Philippines Championships for the WNBF Philippines PH9 and a winner of the WNBF Pro Card and a trophy is athlete number 45.
Last try, kung sakali. Subok. Last na subok na to. Todo na yan, Justin, putang ina mo.
Got a monster inside of me. You better watch out if your enemies are over the head of full prophecy. To be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I'm feeding him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he blows me. He gets real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score. Never getting bored, that's the blood and gold.
Alright, so let's switch for now. 44 with 67. Let's go! Just we want 44 and 67 switch places.
Jared! Tang ina, lupit. Congrats. Ina. Congrats, boss. Galing, galing. Boss, crunch yun, putang ina. Ang lala nun, gago. Ina, galing, gago. Kinabahan ako, gago.
Crazy!
Oo, yan na, no? Nakikita na eh. Sana, boss. No? Sana. Last try niya na to. So, 2 beses siya nakipag-overall. Di niya nakuha. Sana, itong last, makuha niya na.
Sim!
try niya na to. So, 2 beses siya nakipag-overall, hindi niya nakuha. Sana, itong last, makuha niya.
Number 40.
I can see my future in the second bright. Not used to the light, I was born at night. But I'm used to a fight, not a new sight. Left, right, head, body, roll the dice. No regrets when I finally leave. I'll finally be the final, be a better me. My destiny is to invest in me. A quest to be the best.
Your Open Division champion and winner of the WNBF Gold Award is athlete 44, Justin Aaron Anselmo.
I said I want more, took a life full of hooks, time to even the score.
Life left, so I gotta make it count. Too bloody ends, work hard just to build it now. 3 more doubts in my head, try to tear me down. But I won't let it show.
Post, nakakuha na si Justin, oh. Nag-pro card na siya. Let's go! Next na, bikini. Antayin natin. Ayun, sa mga di nakakaalam, si Shara, naka-prep din ngayon. So, makikita nyo mamaya, dahil hindi siya masyadong nag-physic update, abangan natin. So, susubok lang siya. Hindi kami nag-expect again. Ibigay lang namin yung best. So yun guys, doon natatapos yung WNBF PH9 and nakita nyo naman kung paano yung gapang na ginawa ni Justin from men's physique, classic physique, hanggang sa bodybuilding. Talagang ginapang niya. Hindi niya makuha yung dalawa nung huli. Boom. Nakuha niya. And then yung dalawang athletes natin from Open, si Fons and si JC, congrats din. Also kay Franz na taga Bicol. Lupit. So yun, nag-enjoy lang kami dahil kagabi nga pinag-uusapan namin na sana makapasok lang ng top 5 si Shara. Pero yun, swerte. Naka-top 3 pa nga. Check out nyo pala yung JP Clothing yan. Diba? Yun, sa website natin, jpfitnessph.com. Available pa rin siya. So, hindi pa tapos yung season. Madami pang athletes na naka-prep and we're going to WNBF Singapore and kita-kits tayo doon. Don't forget to like, comment, and share and see you in the next one. Peace.